Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Smart Band by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to sell the watch or the Smart Band, give it away. Maybe you want to connect it with another device. Another thing you could try is to use it as a fix for some things on your Smart Band, but that's like a last resort thing, because if you factory reset your Smart Band, it will remove all of your data and settings from it. So that's like a last resort thing because of that. Okay, so let's continue. So to factory reset our Smart Band, we need to open the menu, and you can do it by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down and look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the system option and select it, and then look for the option called reset. And once you find it, you can tap on it. And as you can see here, you have a question if we want to erase all data. We want to do that, so tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete, which takes at least a few seconds, I would say, maybe a bit longer. And once you see a list of languages on the screen, come on, can we skip this? Once you see this list of languages, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset the Smart Band by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.